Hi guys, welcome to the Black Couch Welcome to the Black Couch Diaries, guys. So that's why
Why?
ngori ngopfa poshanda.
Oh, okay.
Zvite umbonga mpuzo rari kupfara zvinji zvinenge azvidini. Wi-Fi ikwana in agent udoshimiswa yanga phone. Anyways, prepping and kuita ani phone yeka 14%.
Okay.
Guys, welcome. Today we're coming at you live from Dar es Salaam.
Finally.
Apalona razor ko amba all the time. Dar es Salaam. So finally, I hope you can see something from the background. Ndione pa buyer one. You said it's a restaurant.
Rowana na sofa la black finally.
Oh, in Indo Mongoli Zura.
No. Mongori no shoot to face. No, Khandili Zura ndichi don tindinona hanepa. Tidziringangi.
I remember go shoot.
Oh, let's go shoot. Yeah, maybe.
And then also
Yes, I remember.
Yeah, so
yeah. SKA. Okay.
So guys, Dar es Salaam guy, how do you give you guys directions? Chikudini Mtoni. Before nichishika ari khotsa hapo noni. Una Thando Adventures.
Before you save.
You save. Mpose amba zobudisa. Niko ya Thando Adventures. Niwaniko dani hapo Dar es Salaam.
So guys, where is Thando Adventures then? Cause
apparently ndi hapo ndo bona board ndiko jena.
So nichikona yongo fi Thando Adventures ni thoma ngopera Dar es Salaam. So that's how you ndi apira ndilunji ndi akhela na nemunhu.
Nyakhela ke inji dapano. Nenso dozuri. No ndabona dzikhudza ari khotsa nsoko okay. Mrao zamba any first if me short left your home. So yeah.
But anyways, Ndikapunda Maria Road. It's a restaurant, club. Yeah. What else? Hey, but the food is need you. No, you know, bezano la ngolele do. Toringa pizza ya Dar es Salaam nipi.
Food the wings.
Their food is amazing. I feel like for now, Venda, it's them and Lira Boutique. Varnas loja ukuma because.
Zike drink is mraro.
Zila drink.
Oh, zikolenga mara.
Zikutuma dzai.
Muchidziwe.
Ice.
Oh, richano fuke ice.
Ndakuri drink dzikolenga nyana.
Echera maperi riko shoot hauna chitu. Riko beno unkanda mamno.
So
ngoropi zonka make no decide okanda ne. Okay, so yeah guys, hapa ndio ni Dar es Salaam nirazwa kwamba all the time. So how have you been, man?
I've been amazing. Venda wadipa guys.
Hey, utunanga cherede.
It's just like
oh, ndini mlowa. I actually thought I was Sunday mlowa.
You never know what's going on when
you're in Venda. And then machero doanga Sunday. Ngori it's a holiday. Ngori
it's a holiday. Navuanga Tuesday nikofunga ni Monday marebe isi Monday ngori udomo.
So guys, we shooting on the 24th ne nsado Mangalore holiday ani aina mina zwa.
Yeah, we shooting on the 24th the Sip and Paint.
Yeah, so that's what we're for diangand. Rotonga rome chanya. Ishke bachi right for Sip and Paint.
Much bad.
Chichina mukala kala. Beti na chichina kala na chiti.
Ini ntonza funi theme.
And mtwa black. Irani black.
Not omanga niko na all black fades.
All black ni papa.
Not omanga acoustics and got the number of theme.
Inando not wait. Rodo jam no video acoustics do drop domanga.
Yeah.
There's a lot.
Guys, all I can say is Venda good. So I've been great. How have you been?
I think I've been good also, man. I think where to go say.
We've just been so busy.
We're busy, like urinwane mucho utozuraya. Chitozuraya actually.
Na nechitozuraya. Kama siari we are trying out food. Kama rekona we are here.
The food inera ko badilisiwa. No, here's the thing to offer. If you ever approach me, na come try my food. I don't expect to pay me. Not wrong invite, and this is your house only. Maybe not call unwe opposite pangami. Inina pori
opposite pangami yo kasi
mpucho la ruraro la do
ange mi ashuwa ko ndisela drink hapo
rina podcast yeah so nani kutamba zona ri yeah we zo try the food is our one. It's been nice going to Dar es Salaam road there unachimwa cherada hapo usiku elado anando
vintage hayi
house vintage vintage chingoda.
Because I came for the acoustics and poetry after party ndodanga vintage ndodanga unaimwera the woman Fisto's birthday party.
Oh yeah, ndodanga birthday Fisto's keba mama podcast
abajene
oh shaba mini wapi mraro magoma
ndi wome wa podcast shikonzi shigayi mawe
baba kachoisa sorted mpo dodobisana chido very
chido yeah mpo
yeah, it was on the rocks. So
it on the rocks.
You the same into. Ninga gay putaza. Fini. Anya jana ko todo Tom. Tenya gurufi ndi nitambuza neka podcast. Yeah. Where's some photo?
Yeah.
Your double eyes. In as much as I reach you miss here.
Guy pano. Arkuitezo.
Ulandinyo mangala sara pala.
Is photographer.
Yeah, bewe. Oh, you guys booked a photographer.
Bro, we have everything.
Not Professor Mpuanga.
Atingotoibuka
Nanga simafodempo.
robukelwa ngapano.
Oh. Ni divana na nywa pane.
Gift ni mwanango.
Oh, just make it. Hey, I should have done ingapera.
Hey, ende vorengera nti vatonga vangadovuya.
Yeah, so
guys ndikototi mudziringisa.
yeah, those are colorful conversations. So yeah, Venda has been good, man. Like
Venda is amazing.
Yeah, ndo enjoy Venda. Ngoba lazona nikhamba ka episode 17 uri yo I live this year mean. I feel like ndikuweza phanda zvino nochira.
Rikuchira. Hey, rikudipina.
Hey, ukodipa.
We don't plan anything. We just decide ndini.
How much have you spent pachina vya Venda? Roughly, nchiromre. Hey, na ndo nechinyarero. Like everything.
Nendino ngati chana
What's the groove page? Just everything. No, jana guy. Kabu guy.
I don't want to talk about. I don't know. I'm not counting. I'm just living. It's just like kuliwa. Ari kuumbrela uri mini.
Netazo ndio ndikuibona ngori yabayiona yori ndela December mara.
Mara ikuliwa nga December, so it's fine.
December kazi yaphanda.
Yabi years 27 nzophela.
Okay.
It's chai.
Yeah, and then makubuzela zori McDonald's eti aminiti. So here's what happened. McDonald's those cups never in that zone. The normal cups. So anincha wana into the lid na straw if you are eating inside.
Why?
Apparently ufini mlai wane pa. So
bako save amitibo.
Mara bako isiva yativa mini.
That's my check.
Because I'm sure that's pack or sorry.
Or maybe barenga separately.
I don't think so.
Then
so here's what happened that niko renga niko order I do everything that are sitting. Bako this allows to I'm like but mitibo na straw afino azitipa then amla back nga 16 October nga birthday yakhaladzi yanga ti miyanga wabo baisa McDonald's baba kholela zotibuliwa nanisa ko faces rocket I mean and then zvino zinza kuno click or oh jamari since October they've been doing these things nanda rai ndizvavudi for bathu vapano unokutenda then kombera mana manager ai hygiene panda mamngana
yeah but it doesn't make sense kunozotibuliwa
exactly
especially McDonald's bra
as it line and go lie
you get it
yeah and then manager maybe McDonald's tona na mfumakadzi ngasi vambedzina mande but vana attitude lumwe shova pandelisi muhulu cause ndamba na ola wa munna ti I was like so then kuiva abantu vadzikisha vombudza situation yapano so uri azvitenderi kuwa mtibwa na mina zote so amudiri ndipo kuda vala munhu vatu and then vatu for a long time ti so I thought maybe avachabuye vonchava ndavona vala mfumakadzi vane vakadhirikoroda frappe yeraibhadhera namukwana vasiripe this was it last year kana it's fine vada vavakwa ndarikombera mana vampumurera okay it's fine ola munhu avuya ari okay here's what we're gonna do tikodoni pamitibo uri niye nidzule na mini mari vati vachivudzisavo nisokori nanoita take away nakonodzula ti
yeah
ndari okay zvikupfara ndari through vari ei ndari khavala kitchen nenge dzena store if ndopo mtibo ndikoishumisa ndingapela ntu ndamutiro yeah and then I feel okay it's fine mupeni then amukala zvinotinya kupamba dzina nawo ndolivona ti mama chingo statement chori komilori ni report hey incident cause as we make sense zvikuitwa pano pedzi
zvivenda pedzi
oh no McDonald's nantine na renga zvikuitwa McDonald's yapano Venda pedzi
that is fucked up
like pano ti there's always a different thing man ka McDonald's because at first now hachifimini kana
now the fact that it's 24 hours but it's not 24 hours
wavala ti
it's only 24 hours no weekend so what happens huh what do you mean oh really oh zviyamburezvo zvihothe then mara it doesn't make sense
yeah mara why call it
24 hours kana or not
kana vambo 24 hours Thursday to Sunday
zvamburi zvinozikwamburi zvino ndipano ndapfandara ngamadaucha ngalavuraru ndikuti yoitisani kuti yakanoni
24 hours hela ya opposite tavani
kanoni ndi andishiyo yavhenda mutha andishiyo 24 lipi kanoni 24
mara ine kuna mina zote
I knew you were gonna say that line. Yo, hezo nikomufuna.
Yeah. So guys, if nitinga kono jena tika why ndiko sidalivona. Nitinga kono jena ka ya McDonald's kana nekuna reporter one night na reporter number no. Rina ari kufesa ri wari kodi po asovuliwa na mina. Yeah, so ala mtu ombelo ri vati vazviite. Yeah, so I'm sure manager simunhu namtipedzi because udo jena mashikani.
Mara, okay, it is what it is though.
Yeah, so we should, guys.
Yeah, let's report
and rich kwamanga McDonald's also na kuzamro enga festive seasons ti event guri zvazotara pano rina guru iti
we utojena nguzimana from pangamiti uri nito join line yo tu it's a process hu dzula una traffic une mulova na musi ndo dzhena uthendo vhukati what u wana parking ndi tshilidzi it's like umbri mini tshilidzi why ndo tshilidzi na se
you'd get it eventually.
Anyways, Mara, I feel like about Venda vana chelede. Remember I've been saying it from episode 1.
Or Venda vana chelede.
Ngamandisa
and people know
also. What? Guys, the cars, the vehicle license, the Porsche,
VIP section,
VIP section.
Yeah, Dar es Salaam. No, I was like, okay, if I'm VIP, why not me?
Why not me? Okay.
Yeah, so
yeah, people here have money, bruh. But when the manager they have kuma
and then finally, rizari kusimbedzwa traffic ya N1 gole dzikuya nga festive seasons. We never hear about gole dzinokoya KZN.
Not around traffic yo we. I'm just asking. It's always the N1 trending. They fly. Oh, not fly ya chitu.
Not fly ya mutu. Uri watu wote vari Joburg wanoka KZN not fly.
As one. There's no way.
Nah, man.
It can't be.
Maybe they right after the lift club. Hela zori kotonga gore yampo.
Vapakana.
Oh, was it? Mara at least over fresh enya. Right.
Unendi kumbrera tu ndaki.
Oh, habe recipient page. Nero no angora.
Guys.
And then filming. Banya kwamba nga hila chinepe cho sendo ka group. Cho sendo nga itingo bona.
Achingo sendo nga mutu atro chamba page.
Ndo chimangala cha group.
Cherede.
Chamnyanya.
Oh yeah, guys, chirana matevu one wedding. Abeni ufindi kwa 400,000. Apala vitu bad nako wini sana nako tu sana ni win.
Ati David amo ndize competition yazo kama ngaro no mu win. Ni gure ya spa.
Yeah, you join this one, Mara. But ila competition yako win sana. Nachi wano itanori ni win.
Ela
ya mnyanya.
Ni gure ya spa nso kama ngaro winiwa. Nikalari no Riverview.
Liko didisa. Liko dipengisa le ibona.
Yeah, so
Mara, okay, I don't know how Urbo they deserve it. I think they do.
Why do you
it's
think
high time bachat and kane babote.
Dikare kana dikare.
Dikare mini.
Dikare wachikore mera.
Mara last to audio sa winners we like but we're less fortunate.
Exactly. What one about Thailand is not kwamba sorry ne.
But Thailand.
Onobia.
But Thailand.
I don't know. No, but Bali to do.
No,
don't subscribe to channel level. The content is nice, yeah.
Okay.
But here's the thing, see? Then I was on in as much as maybe what general of generally if me send any CV udoribo rich wo win is also of you nchipo chimu pamushumo usongo fi ni no jenisa anti.
Yeah.
Because I was actually thinking, if Nani Riverview young, what I was gonna do, the one about they are out there, popular and influencers.
Yes.
So
they're gonna give you the wedding, the Dumis Avenue, yeah.
So we do a video obviously YouTube. It's gonna be all about Riverview now. Because
we
don't win.
Because we win so about we never amber a designer. Jumbo they can afford a wedding.
Amber designer.
But you win a palava amber as Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton
says.
Nice, fine. Mpoche udo check for iko. Mara either way, I feel like any muno Riverview ozita was wa udufuna wo.
What you did
not competition, yeah. I feel like
what I'm such pinga.
Unless you guys know someone and obo join and I. There's some corner over join.
And speaking of competitions, it's the same thing that happened with Helen Tuyewe Onada. Diko Jaja. You are such a bad person. What I'm saying is, it's the same thing that happened. So, which was the winning? What? I want to win, then I want to let her career because she didn't win.
Yeah.
So she's crying on the viral. So I'm busy talking to her. The mom is begging her. Yeah. And that's it. Those people are like, "What last one var?" Like, as of the var voting, you get it because I'm home. Okay, let me continue. Right?
You don't do that. It's not going to sorry. I don't go to joke. What was I going to say?
It's a joke.
Damn.
It's very serious. Wait, you're going to joke. Akulila zvakume. Okay, let me get my point straight.
And say, guys, I'm such a good person.
But anyways.
Not to have a scene blind. Ababoni channel. Sorry. Yeah.
What I'm saying is, so apparently, Itani post a picture, whosoever gets most likes, wara.
Yeah.
So whenever she was the likes 5,000 or guy. So in their minds, they were computer because that was meant for the competition for the pageant. And then we are judging according to, we don't know anything about likes as judges. So all I want to because she had worked so hard, apparently the data and stuff like that. So you go through all that, and then when you get there, who judge you are like normally. So I feel like this whole competition thing, I don't know, I think brand is because I'm a promoter. So I'm you get it? Yeah. I need to really need your shuma ekananda pamto duma ndikuitira it's really not fair.
Yeah.
So I feel like the whole competition thing, but just for market, so they were marketing the show, the competition.
Exactly, yeah. And then obviously,
that kid cried.
Likes
it's her third pageant or so. Last time over number 4, I win Gumaka 3. This time around over 5, I win Gumaka 4. So she cried a lot.
6. But then actually it's fight the jambaka and recap ya acoustics. Not to even there ticket and I'm like, okay, it's fine. So the jambas I'm like, dude, the divine palapetune.
Tuman far. I want it. Kabuzise Hapalangum. Ari order the sticker.
I mean
the color combination thing. Yeah. Anyways,
there's another thing also. Black Z
coming
Facebook.
Really?
So you personal na business account kind page sort of.
Wow.
Some phone do akamborimpo akonizo ekurana na mean our mutent timebundu na something cuz DM it you mean. And then masiko lamto on Instagram the week before. But then the funny thing is, achambura atukunya nimsimtonyo ndipudza mafhungu. Atunya kodori mini ma Kingsley oti mara ndo ikwa delete post ya statement cha ru.
Fedzi.
Yebana. Na utofi mini ya.
Na uchitopikezo.
Ambora uko shumi wafanda.
Na uchitopikezo mara. But okay, I don't know what point he's trying to prove.
No fongare. Who's trying to prove what? Bubu. Yeah, they were what? And they haven't yet. So, mecha.
Romechawa.
Yeah, so I don't. Do you think the animal can owana mutu? Ru.
Would she go that far?
Yeah, she would, eh?
Why?
Anything Ru sare we need the king. After
Ru.
all, she's a king. Yeah, King Ru.
And I don't know, man. I don't know. I just don't think she's capable.
Kana unamtani akonya udori ndwa enge ikudia panda oitantu. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, heka abvisa statement urunge ndi ru. So black zina ru zino bakoti yotoma bakoti yocontinue asa panda nandwa.
Mara ndi nyari nandava ngotoraro. Ni adiva zva vathu. Kana uro delete nga mistake. Oyo mutu.
Ha, kazo tena delete statement. Nishinga delete to album ine yakotrenda zvino. I'm like, I don't know.
Nikuzmana mara karolo boru ado delete an album. Ufia una. Yeah, ndamba. Kaje phone yangambe na yapo.
Asendele tsini hapo. Rishamba paint. Adivichito.
Finite divichito.
Atawanyambe apo ingatsima.
Dona manda itoma bal.
So, oh no, I didn't. Oh, ninyi akarve ka Black City. Artendo rent. Unone mposho mblutika. Chachi kuti yomuthusa. Eche kuti mwaka Venda lot.
Ene wakona zo. Miya ngabo hekwa mlabanya zwa.
Oh, na ino amburi myandu weki. Wa ukitani.
Awuna. My mom. No, it's the first time. When? Yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday. How far?
0.
Ndzikwambe funa mphasichikwena.
Oh,
No,
so-
ndizoita mlova.
Weikuwa watsapukana weikuwa phone.
Hoikiwa WhatsApp. Vachitojena like rodzula and then vakuda zvibonanga mumwe muthu. The person was sending everyone messages akumbira chelede. And zvino ukothoma nga asendera auntie yanga. So me auntie yanga vakotomangala, "Hi, how are you?" Vafuzwa ana chitofumira so mukomana wangu miyanga vana chipika. She doesn't speak like that.
Yeah.
Asenda message mulafu. Ndikwamburi na nenda ndikwambara miyanga ndakasitome ngori, "Hi, how are you?"
Yeah.
It's you know, we get straight to the point. Ramba zvizoperera.
Which is what everyone should do though.
Yeah.
Hey, hi, how are you?
Unless we're not close like that and you want you want something.
Simple
as that. Let's get straight to the point. Hey.
Ndironosvika veni guys. Hey, name I got a hi, how are you? Ndia nyama man. Azoma maybe watu vachira titint atipinduri the message.
It's boring. It's boring. Karipirere panda mara zvan. Anyone zukono ikurura.
Yeah. Partially so.
Upedza kuti WhatsApp. Anyways, yeah.
Wait, WhatsApp. No, sorry, why would I make WhatsApp yavo vatomoekiwa?
Endewa. Endo ni mangala pala. Urifuna namba zanzi kuita ndichikuita broadcast message yori vohekiwa. Ndandisikofesesa.
Oh, ndinoiterawo.
Hangodzisiya ati.
Uzodanazo. And then ufuna all the office stores ngachipinga amba nga all black tiyoboye. Ina ngosha yeti? Once nga all black affair.
Ndandikusho ndandoneta namusi.
Marahani, cause all black yo ya yepena chimingadi ngabo 4. Sani nchineta ngokuveni.
No, I really. What when breakfast at 7? Who were you on
Wait, the breakfast was for today, not yesterday.
Yeah, and then after that there was a cruise or something. So I paid. And there was no way we wouldn't do it because I know myself.
So everyone gets to have breakfast,
Yes.
Cruise, and all those things. Not
Cruise
dinner.
to the vehicle chamber. Dinner yourself.
Yeah, between 7 and 9.
I don't know if the cruise was free as well, but the breakfast was free.
Ilanti yoshima pano yori dinner is between 7 and 9.
I don't know.
Remember, Fistos office between 5 and 6. Afi.
Mara, utobori bato avangozvipedza. So ori is between 5 and 6. Vatu vayavala azvisiyane pala kusvikira zvichipera. Vatu vachila abeni zvazviona kusvikira late. Rine rutobori rorengo yo. Rosvikara wana zvika hokadhivana dzi plate dzila mara zvilewa zvinopera.
Ofi we animal.
Nne ndotoivona ikule uri blind. Ndotoivona from pictures. Uri looked like it was great.
What pictures?
Videos that people were posting vaenda vana vaka WhatsApp yaho mara vokudhura. Heineken 6 ya 600 randa.
Okay.
600 randa. Heineken. Hystropes 906. Yes, Hystropes 906. The cheapest Hennessy bottle was 2.7. It was
Pano Dar es Salaam ndi guy Hennessy.
One says so la muzina so tsenza.
Abo yakani.
Abo yo black. Oh, dakora dead number ya shoot ubenne.
Pano ita guy Hennessy. Pano Dar es Salaam.
And ya normal ingabe 1.2 kana 1.1. Mara ngiba was normal. Oye kutuma ka VSOP page ugonya.
VSOP ita kugepa.
I don't know.
What of a press list?
Hey, what of a let me go check on someone's status.
I don't know Mara. That's one thing I've realized.
No, it's when I go on my way to a rapper up.
Oh yeah. Kare rap.
Mushumoni guys.
No rorera rini. Nani pani mushumoni? Tu.
Mara tika umesia 30 minutes ya vlog ona.
Anyone who bubuza watu susio. Ararafira.
Nimbudze isicheo rono zokoidropa yo radi sina vlog.
Ati waeditwana wakati wazo.
Yeah, zvapisi.
Yeah, so of I mean, 11 what's so special about it? What's the difference between all black na Royal Heritage kind of? I feel like
Royal ndiye watu banji.
All black.
Yelazi watu banji. I don't know how to put it. It's exclusive, man. It's expensive.
And then all white.
It's the same thing. It's 27.
Ndiye watu bati. Who owns all black affair?
Abala Kalari, the owner ya Kalari.
Oh.
Yeah. And then all white at the India Nyexik. I think it's Ruande. That Ruande premium what. Yeah.
Ruande nini all white.
Yeah, ndio. Kuita all white. I don't think I'll go. I don't know.
Why?
I don't know. I guess also.
Venda wadura.
Mara mwana vanda chinga to one fistos. Like money is not. Na fistos.
Na wangeta me. Yeah, fistos over one.
Don't ride there.
Mara na wangeta me. Out of kwata fra. So obo kwa.
Zvinoba mupa ride rava kuinwera guys stage ni. uba ana petu I'm sure una petu no ingosibona na pano ti nam sinobuka mother from DJ azura haphala ngubona mara wachila speaker haphala ini awunofino buka that's why there's that thing yovalao ngange ndiya the artist so I'm sure they should have something like that
that's one ile do
ngozula
zomanyana nge ngozula nge rarudzura pa ini rarudzura nepa and then chigana cha cancel Venda nga December
postponed
oh yeah you
to the 30th
why what next time ilando chivala ti
ye kuduba na muzi yapi katina snap zvadoita
nanyo do something or what cancel is it because of snap or they just thought to no man mara aona imwe reason
ti
because they spoke of market what apala petu
if you market mini
uri no khedzela statement chawa uri
nano chivona nethi nguvala
no sendeliwa nga box abakho no man hangwamba ndotobala uri ya apala petu ukozama ito fair rekonwa na market umunji achinchwa na venue even
zvino ikwetwa ke
mashallah resort
Yeah.
kamara man
atwana zvona kamara ivana
otovula huswa kana
I think ko launch anozwana kuna launch
wotona ndobona ndosona ku video kwaone nyana
mara guys this event dzakule
mara vondi kule ndi mara vondi
mashallah mara vondi ubukule abala bethu
ndigaye mara
mara ndobona bathu bakokonoya fair play people are going hey ndobona Oscar yodala Oscar mona stoki
fair play utonga ntuni no
tonga guy utonga guy
ndakona video ya stoki blind
yeah ne
why
duba
why
I think this guy is saying
no
don't error na short tizotoda deshe zvi wrong ndikopfa ndiko waste
mara no like stoki nombona kwa performance zvawo sikamboti ngobona china chiti and then dem tuda akuya ngiphi angoya twice even
hangoya
hangoya ngazi one iti I think I rescheduled for the
2
no don't you so dumb nomboresa iponga ndi mbulungu yeah so I think I rescheduled for the 15 hours kambo okay somewhere around an airport
speaking of mbulungu zarolo bende ari kufamba ngazo muri raro pedzo shoota RIP
zioneka prep kudoziyama there's something funny I saw ngalufu lwaona
why not just funny pedzi kabogisi
rikwamba ngabogisi natora
una ndobe akani ndingapambra okay no I don't know but I put
kids agore zi somewhere pala
aziyogoro inezinto zinako todo una bogisi nolibona ene ni atiba uti yana ngojia kula ku phone kwa ku charger kunta city
yeah so
it's fine rumentondo irandorotondo ayoiji
rotondo lapo lokwane
ndizongono ashini mara chipipe tinwe zwa bikwembodza nena yamdino neona kamwana mona nena zvibona gaizvo zvime
so
every single person is good looking honey ubaka mke guru ikorotsa
hey nyadze vatu vakombengero nendiko vadzima zina vafundzano
why
atidivi ndikoneta
tinya kufa kama
utori if ukatamba position 5 I'm like why would I be defending someone I don't even
wait ndinyi for example where ngota is it like people on Instagram or diva
nyabadiva waka Instagram vamwe ndivaimbi
mara neben I sell stuff so getting my number is very easy like I'm on my page you can simply DM me so vakutoda nomboro straight
vane dela zofindo dziya vondodziwana katanga
bato ngavala bopi wao zvezvino vanokudzina
havala riya zodziwana gai
ene ndomubudza
arime
I don't know this is not what happened bro this is not ndari
ni barima
ngami
hey voice ni tipedzi Venda
no yelana ino ni ende ndandikuita yelana yamizo marasimizo ayelana
okay tandokambaini native jeni mava nsokombalele zvisti nadwana panga bomizo futi
sir my bad
if ngopfonga dzoka mai commentani rimusumbedzo muturiya yeah so
ndije break why
wait a minute
arikopedza
asara 10 minutes
10 zvikotoda
chimbirani tamanyana songo stop up
hey let's go
arikaderi minabe
right
mboderoyo antu femen recycling rarikadambori afibonyi nakopamba dzina aradokata mara yeah so hela nthu in as much as ikova dzi 30 ti mara ndingayambidza zvino ndikutoda munhu yakaenda rividzeni kaino nirise
nyozvikanaitani
hauna oh now I remember why ndikuhamba izvo zvithu tafura dzange pita dzikumeka sense
dza Venda ngatisimba
here's the thing table for 4 ikera 2.5 iti ina
2.5 pedzi tikurodana mini ukuronwa mukumbi 2.5
tabioni ndi 1.5 iti
okay
mara nife table for 6 kuita kugaya ikuita 5,000 at na bar table ya 3,000 wouldn't you buy into table for 4 mbili
nava ni 8
nava ni 8 rather than uva na table 4 because izvi zvinokuita apa metse akuitwa zvone newscafe
ini vone vane vanokouya vadovarera
kavarihire vathu na vathu varetent mandikupfuriwe izvi zvithu fana musikofi lofonti ndi 5 randa mbili ndi 11 like what are you saying
it doesn't really make sense mara I guess vakuitira zvezvo uri hai mara hazvikumake
sense yeah so unanikadamba zvaapfinya zazahara ini ti
yes
rirepe riyambe ngasipen paint for people to know what's actually happening today.
Please.
So someone posted a picture of Zahara in a coffin. Sister is that picture real? I would assume it's Photoshop. Okay, good.
Mara, you know when mutu achirova uya
mutu achirova wa drainer ati
war
hoino nuronga mtondo
kukumwao vaone vono kukumwa mara
no to vonyo kukumwa chingasizume mara look at the picture man
aziyene Zahara
mara why would people Zahara
dozum it can't be her, come on. Aba mtu mungapa?
No mkegulu.
Siene.
Really?
Vatu wele na uchitofikezo. Nei roko do we wana gaina rungu di mkegulu aba mtu.
Wana ati mtu asiyo renga suzwa zimfu
mara katonangeliwa zvezvi zva 2PC. Ya my ladies ne lili lungu.
The girl from next door man. Why choto?
The girl from next door.
How do you find those news nchikudzwa?
Zahara. Funny enough, I was in shock.
It
came to me like, oh, okay. You know? No, not like that. No, you know what happened? Funny enough. No, apparently
I see you.
She's I see you.
No, mara doing number.
No. Like obo kani mara ana the problem Zahara so asirufulwa unexpected unerangari mtu osikovuwa feel tunchwa kana ndi accident ni mtu ane oba kudirwarera and we
knew ndichendo shoko ngareke in
you see heila ni shocking ne inganirwa 1 year mara Zahara is just like oh okay so that's sad and then there's so music saying we failed her the industry failed her
ngimemorela
uriba industry mu failure because she was struggling and rariko museya and I'm like guys nobody owes you anything. The sooner we get that straight, the better. Like, nobody. Just because Zahara was going through, go through. Rick was going through as well. So,
exactly.
Bro. So, man.
So, I mean, let's get to spin paint, see? What are we expecting today? We're here. Like, aesthetics. We've been talking about it. The day is finally here.
Aesthetics, beautiful girls. It's classy people. It's just a group of people having fun. Soft music, drinks, lots of drinks. We're planning on having welcome shots as well.
Oh, are we getting some on the gift to you? No. Yeah, continue.
Yeah, drinks as well. Like just the
one who were with acoustics.
Oh. She was trying to call me.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, basically that's what we're expecting.
And then how many tickets did you sell?
I sold 20.
Why did you reduce the number?
I reduced it. Guys, sorry, June and July. But
you know, I told you that thing for 2 weeks.
But you know what I wanted to do, guys? I wanted to have number of tuku and make it perfect. Then next thing there's no order the drinks and whatever. I just wanted to have a small number. Guys, also this is my first event.
But that wouldn't be on you as the drinks though.
Mara still reputation and that's my brand.
Yeah.
You get
Okay,
it.
I get it.
So I don't want to ruin things. I just want to have a manageable number. Then they're going next year.
And then plans for those who are looking for tickets now. Remember, wait, remember
Ndikuona mi messages.
vatu vakoreva kunyanga tickets nari hai ndonimudza rini kana nichiri nikorenga ndari wapfa make them 30 can at least itani 25 yakari nochwa to that point itani 25 because people are gonna come last minute nani aveti ngocharenga
ini ndigareni ini nanoifarishede nakuita zvathoya ndanoifarenga
chandanotonipakera mara ai
you know what but also vane havangokonoda it's okay vadovona zvinepe and then vadokonotutuwedze uri ichitodropa next time idosela fast also.
Nah man, people don't do that man. I feel like people always buy string last minute because
with this it's different because you need prep, you need to prepare as far as yeah, maybe that. Yeah, I'll just, but from now that I've started, I'll just buy in bulk. From now on, I'll just always have like stock.
Okay, kai stock or warehouse right and praise 45.
No, don't worry, guys. We've got this because I'm thinking the stand up to Safani, so it's going to be mid-range, not fun. Come, but we can do it. Namakwan, we can host it because 30 people is not a lot. We can definitely get 30 people. Marapene does one real paints.
Deluxe.
Oh yes, and also shout out to Real Paints for sponsoring me. Who else sponsored me?
Wait, are you for real?
Yeah, Real Paints sponsored us with paints.
Paint is on
Kids, no, what do you mix on your canvas? They mixed it from scratch. Yeah, testy work canvas.
Oh,
then they did it. So they did that.
Oh, we're gonna have that guy also.
Oh, and also Milana. She's the one that made my dress. She sponsored me with her dress as well. It's called Milana Designs on Instagram.
Chinga.
Yes.
Hey, Chinga, I'm talking Milana.
And who else? Oh, VG sponsored us with stickers.
VG, you mean? Veg.
Venso Group, not Veg. Venso Group, Yavo Zwanga Mabaya. Do you know?
I know David.
You know him, Fista's best friend. Angeni aere auchitu antu. Office that was yenge auchitu a value o'clock ila yoto.
West corner.
Yeah, that's where the offices are.
Rich kamangezo zantu ti. Nyadiva. Imare jambe fast sasa tutua rasa spin paint ile adva ufinya ula weather phonon afina ndiko sema naye achira ko bizwa ka podcast
muruma pitch mate
one director lamtukana
no
like
ibana
mara no ibona proof 9 ningazi phonon ukati abathu ngori ne TV dziwika podcast chenda dendera like dude ndomutexera ako mpindura so ari weka spin paint ndotozumura zvino rodzura apo ri
no, but anyways zvopiraini
and then any price nopedza sponsora who else is sponsoring you
zvopere
agriki
Dar es Salaam obviously Dar es Salaam is the biggest sponsor.
Niliwempo vatu vane Dar es Salaam otombudziwa
dandonoikuza ndonoamba nazviliwa matomonso
unokuza namba sponsora
marketing but yeah Dar es Salaam was the very first sponsor. Havamwe havana sponsors are emotional dzinedzavasikocheka is everything going fine babe, you know those sponsors.
Na baby
ndandisina nichipotwa mbungari ndandisina what do you say ndikuti mbunga last episode ndandisina ndikuti mbunga last episode ndandisina moto tochinja chitu why and inika zviro ndingazinjenera ndavaza so rori chana mini
okay rido kata no it's fine arisa kufumula
ini rado jena hate topic you are dead risongoma nene risomba love oh really
and then any prize for people who are gonna be having some cute paintings yana.
No, I don't wait at the price, guys, because you're taking the painting home and you're putting it in your own at your house.
Or Black Couch Diaries vote.
Okay, maybe we'll vote and we'll just give another mood because already when it's complimentary drink, maybe we'll just give you an extra drink or something. Maybe we should do that.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So shout out to me, guys.
Yeah. What do you badero? Thank you.
I'll go back to
Black Couch.
You go back to anyway. Hi, and then now you're going to now you how do you get this venue? But how can people book it if I'm going to go Dar es Salaam?
I guess we'll just have to put the number per se, but you can basically book it for anything. Do you know that you can even book it for a wedding? Did you see? They have a garden thing, like literally a wedding.
Yeah, and got this
a little fountain there. There's everything.
Adotorestangana zvino achiko chaumakanda. Kerikeni vakufunza. Vari mini Dar es Salaam. Remember that day Roy Anthony wori Nandi Harare Dar es Salaam richiri Dar es Salaam ari ufichi kudi.
Ndiva ndikopfunga no ya Tanzania.
So ndiko vakufunza. Vari kuri mini kana. Vambaza Dar es Salaam vari iko dakani.
Iko dakani yoro niliva.
Reashimena mudzimu mara Dar es Salaam. Oh, Dar es Salaam mara aziritivelu uchimena mudzimu. I'm like, yes, preach, pastor.
Vafuna rekorera bala mtu navafanne liadha vachingintroduce vachati mwana wangu imaraje nikereke anga I'm like
Efo omilwa nga namu
matebula. Ichuma next ndiko chinchekereke ndoenda ngalwambo.
Oh yeah, I better go to home guys.
Nechata ngoma.
I was still shooting here. Huh? Ndakuzurika do shoota na Venda.
Ari shoote.
Let's have no,
let's have one more episode in Venda, guys.
Our
capture.
Hey, our
capture studio.
Two wapola. The tomorrow Jenny Sazokumarabon. Near Rosakota. Hey, Rambo Kotani.
Anyways,
why not prep? Let me check if there's anything else. Guys, this was just us saying we miss you. Like when I mentioned the post story, I actually missed the mic.
Yo.
Like that was for no. Now I'm posting on I found the mistake in the power I deva chitongo recorder. So ono hangwa. Like kirikini sema kwa kuita. Mpo utaka recap ya kosti kisiko za guys. So for now, anything else you want to say?
Thank you to my sponsors. Thank you to people that bought tickets. You guys have been lovely. Next time we go do it Anji guys Mara. Thank you so much. Next time.
Inga drop before the one.
Uringobudza ini.
Ngobudza mpo. No, man dawakambo. Uthoma. Asarudakami.
Oh.
Inga dropa. Okay, so if you drop then you guys have a happy New Year, good
Merry
New Year.
Christmas Uthoma.
No, New Year.
Christmas.
And then so have a lovely New Year.
Stay safe, guys.
Until Chiwana Futi from us and
from
Dar es Salaam,
our
text and all that. So, oh yeah. So now, Ruko Penda. So yeah, shout out, guys.
Baby, hold tight. I just touched the city with the cheap block stainers, and we got adopted by some fit for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge, outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does, outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club.
Oh, yo, shit, let's go have some fun. Enjoy the show. We in Houston celebrating. We're going to Houston, Atlanta, Vegas. Y'all know the Vegas? Y'all we in Houston. We're definitely going down.
making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one, and that there's the only two. Man, how many times have I shown it through? Man, how many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes, he thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth.
You nigga call us tasty. You said, baby, don't be mad, you was already. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. You nigga call us tasty. You said, baby, don't be mad, you was already. You nigga call us tasty. You said, baby, don't be mad, you was already.
I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your beauty do it all. No, nothing at all. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. Yeah, I saw it soon as I walked in. Break you off, and your beauty do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow.